Google App Engine Deferred.Defer, failing when method returns. I'm trying to use Google.AppEngine.extension deferred to run a task. I am passing a method to the defer method, and that method runs successfully, but upon returning, a value error is thrown. Here is where I call defer. Build games will return true when completed.
You should use. If you use build games, that invokes the function right then and there, passing the returned value to defer. By removing the parenthesis, you pass the function itself to defer.
You need to call your deferred task like this. Deferred.Defer, meeple_tasks.buildGames. Obj must be callable. It means that, in your case, the value true is not callable. How I wrote the deferred call with defer the build games method call to another process, or task, by inserting it in a queue and letting the App Engine framework deal with it. Note that you cannot return anything with deferred tasks. They will be running on a different process and probably on a totally different server. As per the documentation, they are background workers.
Logic,